Hey everybody, $68,000 in 6 months, guys. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Happy Monday to everybody that's out there. Another busy day, of course. I've been running all day. Mondays are very busy for me with the kids, getting them to school. And just doing the things that you do on Monday, getting caught up with everything you didn't do on Friday. I can't see who's tuning in. Hopefully, there you go. Hey, Rob. Hey, Cassie. Yes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and open up some of these packages I received. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 packages for you guys today. But not only that, we're going to talk about another traffic source that I found that I am actually really loving, and I overlooked it about 4 months ago, and I'm sad that I did, but it's all good. But for those who want more information, you can inbox me and I'll send that over to you. I received a payment here from Stacy. Stacy, I got your payment. Stacy signed up at the Emerald level. Stacy, I got your payment. Here goes $65, guys, and 1 book of stamps. So yeah, this new traffic source is where you can get leads every single day for your business. And what I love about it is that it is buyer leads. Hey, Rob. Hey, China. Hey, Mona. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, David. Hey, Jamel. Hey, Linda. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. So I'm just excited about this new traffic source. For those who don't know me, I'm always looking for different ways to generate traffic, and that's something I wasn't too good at in the beginning, but the more that I do it, I get better and better with time, and that's all that really matters, Hey, Linda. Hey, Eric. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Lamone. Hey, Janet. So this traffic source has been really good so far. I've been using it now for 5 days. It does have a residual with it, and also one-time payments. But not only that, I'm able to promote the direct mail opportunity as well, and I love that too. Ralph, I received your 2 books of stamps. He sent me a payment electronically. I do have your payment. Thanks so much for joining. Make sure to get to me so I can work on your cover letter. So I'm just excited about it, and I love the fact that I am actually seeing some signups from this traffic source, and it's affordable for most people. I always look for traffic that's affordable as well, and it actually works. It's real people that are actually looking at your opportunity. And I say real people because there's a lot of times where I purchase traffic and I wasn't quite for sure if I was getting something that was legitimate or not. And I didn't like that feeling, because when you're pumping money into traffic, you want to know that the traffic is real, Hey, Robert, thanks so much for joining. Hey, Christy. Hey, Dennis, thanks for joining. So I have another payment that came in from Regina. Regina, I received your payment. Regina came in at the Sapphire level. It was an upgrade. She upgraded from Ruby to Sapphire. Here's $150 and 2 books of stamps for the upgrade. Thanks so much, Regina, for upgrading. Glad to have you a part of the team. Thanks so much. Okay, we have another payment here from Ronald. Ronald, I received your payment here. Ronald came in at the Emerald level. The Emerald level is a $65 payment. Here's the 65 bucks and 1 book of stamps. So thanks so much, Ronald. Glad to have you a part of the team. Please make sure if I call your name to reach out to me. That's really, really important. Okay, guys, make sure to reach out to me so I can tell you what you need to do to get started and you are on the right track. Okay. Hey, Alred. Hey, Kathy. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Ernest. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Glenn. Hey, Robert. Thanks so much for tuning in. Okay, I have another payment here from, this came in from John. John, I received your payment. Here's the form. John came in at the Emeralds level. That's a total of $65. 30, 40, 50. Here's a 65. 65 bucks, and he sent in 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much, John. Glad to have you a part of the team. Hey, Misty. Aloha. All the way from Hawaii. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Olivia. Tanya, thanks so much for tuning in, guys. So yeah, this traffic source that I'm using, if you want more information, I'm going to probably do another video about it. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I also have some videos there that can give you information about the opportunity and how it works and what it's all about. Okay. So I have another payment here. This came in from Catherine. Catherine joined here. Oh, sorry. This is for, actually, it's a money order she sent over to me for her website. The websites are $97 one-time payment. And that's for you to put the information on the front of your website. So guys, I talk about the importance of a website and how you want to have that on the front of your cover letter, so that people can look you up online if they want to, because that's where most people go. So we do go over that, and some people get it, some people don't. It's highly recommended that you have a funnel that's attached to your cover letter. So I help my team with that as well. Tracy, I received your payment. Tracy came in at the Emerald level, $20 and 1 book of stamps. Well, she sent in 2 books of stamps, but this is from someone within my downline that joined, and we're glad to have you a part of the team. What else we have here? We have another payment from Mindy. Mindy, I received your payment. Mindy came in at the Ruby level. And the Ruby level is a one-time payment of $150. So here's the payment. And also 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much, Mindy. Glad to have you a part of the team. I just want to tell people too, if you are struggling with sales, there's just something that you're missing. Do not take any shortcuts when it comes to this opportunity, okay? I know a lot, it's very easy to do so. One of those shortcuts that you may be taking is probably what's causing you to miss out on money, okay? So try to make sure you're not taking any shortcuts when it comes to this business. James, I received your payment. James came in at the Emerald level. And this is a sale from my upline, my downline, I'm sorry. And I received a $20 payment and 1 book of stamps. So that means that someone on my team actually made a sale, and I received $20 from that. James, glad to have you a part of the team. Let's see what else we have here. Michael. We have Michael. Michael joined at the diamond level. Michael came in at the diamond level. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. I think this is the diamond level. Yes, it is. So Michael came in at the diamond level. And that's a total of, it's supposed to be 500, but he sent in 400 bucks. So we will be calling for that. $400. The diamond level is an upgrade. It's $500. Okay. Well, actually, it's an upgrade. So this is right. 400 bucks for the upgrade, because he already spent $100 at the sapphire level, and to upgrade would be $400. So I received a $400 payout for an upgrade from Michael. Michael, thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. Please make sure to reach out to your sponsor to have your funnel set up. And that's really important, and to get your cover letter done. Okay. And then I have this that came in. Guys, this company here, I'm covering their information, but this right here, This is the first direct mail program that I was with. Okay. And I received a payment. I've always received payments, but I haven't had a payment this big in a while. And not only that, I received a brand new package about this opportunity. For those that don't know, American Bill Money was my sweetheart, my first program that I started with, where I actually started earning a full-time income back in 2016. So I got a welcome packet. If you want more information about this program, I am going to be doing a video about it today. Thanks so much for tuning in, Marquita, Chris, Michael, George, Jared. Thanks so much, Hector, for tuning in. Jason, thanks for being here. They have been in business for 17 years, okay? And this is one of the programs that allowed me to really take my business to the next level. And I'm going to be going over that today. So I received a payment for $75 from this company. I'm going to just cover up this information because they don't want us to show the banking information. So here it is, $75 from the company. Okay, so this is one of the payments I received. And not only that, I also received a official check from the company, okay, in the amount of $450. Okay, and this was the first original company that I started with, where I knew that I can earn from home through direct mail. And I'm just happy that I made the decision to do so, because it has honestly changed my life. So I'm going to be talking about that today and showing people what that program is all about. And again, they sent me a packet. So here's my packet from them. So the only difference between this company is that you receive a check directly from the company and it doesn't have stamps attached to it, but it is still a really good company. And again, it's been around for 17 years. It's not going anywhere, and I love that about it. Okay, so if you guys want more information, or if you're thinking about direct mail, it works. Okay, you just have to know how to work it the right way. You have to be consistent, and you have to know what you're doing. If someone is telling you to do something that's not working, just reevaluate it, because sometimes people think that they're not making money because of the company, and it's normally because of the way that they're promoting the opportunity. Okay, so just be really mindful about that. Don't get discouraged, okay, because there's a lot of people that's earning with direct mail. You just have to be consistent, and you have to know what to do and how to market it correctly. Okay, so thanks so much for tuning in, guys. I hope everyone enjoys their week. Happy Monday. And I'll see you again another day with another video. Have a good day.